I am Govinda. Welcome to our planet series. Today I'm really happy because I'm talking about Jupiter, and Jupiter is the best of the 9 planets. Jupiter, among many things, mainly signifies happiness and fulfillment, and that's very important to understand. Why? Let's say someone has a really good life. They have everything they need. They have a family, they have a good career, they have a car, a house, but they are unhappy and they have a tendency to complain. That's because of a weak Jupiter that likes to find fault in things. So in this way, Jupiter as an indicator of happiness is essential in a chart reading. A well-placed Jupiter, on the other hand, will make someone satisfied and happy with the simplest things in life. Another aspect of Jupiter is knowledge. A well-placed and a strong Jupiter, let's say a Jupiter in Sagittarius, will indicate someone who is very highly educated and who wants to go ahead in their understanding of things. They're probably going to get a master's and a doctorate and even a PhD. Now, if someone has a Jupiter in a place like Gemini, which is a musical sign and more of an artistical and curious sign, the person might not be as inclined or as serious about education, but there will be more about experimentation and exploration. In this way, you can understand how how a differently placed Jupiter will indicate what kind of education someone is inclined towards. They can even help parents to guide and direct their children in their upbringing. Another aspect of Jupiter is religion. Jupiter's position and its strength and favorable, unfavorable influences will show how someone takes and how they deal with religion, with God, and their path in life. When someone has a weak Jupiter, they might feel a bit lost and they might end up doing the wrong decisions quite often. And they often need guidance, but they might have a problem with taking advice. So that's an issue, and a very big issue actually, to have a weak Jupiter. A strong Jupiter, the person who, on the other hand, will be an advisor themselves, and people will come to them for advice. However, don't worry, if a weak Jupiter is situated in the chart, there's remedies for this, astrological ones, as well as just practical ones, such as just being aware of what kind of conditioning you have. And that's really the purpose of astrology, not to judge anybody, but to just help ourselves and others understand and accept what the situation is and work from there. I hope this video helps you, and stay on to get along with the next planets. See you next time.